Hello guys, today I'm going to show you one of the unique waterfall. This waterfall is situated in Pakistan province Balochistan, district Duki. You can see the water here. This water is coming from the mountain and this very clean water. The water is very clean. It's clean and cold water. The weather is very hot, and I want to show you another hole. There's such an amazing water coming from the mountain. Here I'm going to show you very amazing water coming from the mountain. Unbelievable. I never seen in my life. I think I traveled many countries, many places, but this place is very amazing. Water is coming very steady from the mountain. You can see the water coming from the mountain. It's very clean water. Wow! You can see the water here. Very amazing. Wow! Look here. See, there is the mountain area. You can see the flow of the water. The speed is slow and the clean water. This water is coming outside. Yes, you can see water around here. Such an amazing scene. If you wanna see this amazing scene, you must come to the Pakistan and Balochistan and district Duki. The boys are swimming in the small pool in a clean water. Now I'm going to show you the another waterfall. Wow! Look at the sky in the mountain, and here is the water. Whoa! Whoa! This is very amazing scene. Look here. I want to go to near. I want to go to close to see closely the water. This is one of the greatest waterfall in the world. If you want to see this great scene, you must come to Pakistan, then province Balochistan, then district Duki. Look here. Usually this area is very dry. The weather is very dry. This area is receiving very limited rain, but this is the nature, the blessing of the Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Such an amazing water is coming from the mountain, the waterfall. Look to this area. The area is very dry. This is an amazing point of this area. The area is very dry, but this mountain has a lot of water inside the hole, and the waterfall, such an amazing scene, I recommend you all, the tourists, you must come here and enjoy this beautiful scene. I want to show you once again. Look at the water flow. Look at the cleanliness of the water. Everything is a great nature. Look here.